If you have a work of art and want to keep this page to use multiple times, then this tool will save you a ton of time. Next to the Save button, click the drop-down button and select Save as Template. This will let you name your page, as well as save the left or right page as a template, or save both pages as a spread. This is especially helpful when trying to create your own people pages. Next, we need to find our template. Let's head over to the Templates tool and select the My Templates and Pages button. This will make a new window to either show us our pages in progress or your custom templates by clicking the Templates drop-down. Next, simply click and place your template on another page, and it will copy everything over. You can do the same with the Pages drop-down as well. You are not limited to how many templates you can make, so have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to contact us for any questions and suggestions. See you next time.